up, YouTube? K30 Crazy, and I'm gonna start this video and then end it later after I see if it works for you guys. But I've got a little pinhole right there. I don't know if you can see that. A little pinhole in my spark plug boot, and when it's running, it shocks the shit out of you. No bueno. So, A, I'm a cheap ass, and B, I don't have time to be screwing with this right now. So, super glue's not conductive. I'm gonna try packing it with super glue, letting it dry, and seeing if it stops shocking me. So we shall see. Okay, so super glue has dried. I'm getting no shock whatsoever. So, super glue, it works. Back to cutting grass. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Don't forget, stay crazy.